All right, you guys, we made it. We are halfway through Craftmas, halfway through all of our Christmas ornaments. This here is number 12 out of 24 ornaments. And I love this particular one because you use the quilt as you go method to make these ornaments. So let's jump into this tutorial, and as always, if you missed any of the previous ornament tutorials, definitely check the description down below. I have a playlist linked there for you where all of the other ornament tutorials are listed as well, and some fun Christmas shopping coupon codes. So let's jump into this tutorial.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
All right, you guys, so what do you think? You can definitely make this as a bell like I did, but I do have a download that has a whole bunch of different shapes on it, so you could easily make a stocking. And as always, a reminder, this is ornament 12 out of 24 ornaments, so check back tomorrow for the next ornament tutorial. I'll see you then. Bye for now.